Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening display settings and immediately identifying both screens. This tells the system which monitor is 1 and 2. Once done, make one monitor the primary so taskbar and main apps behave predictably. Make sure resolution and scaling match, or our intentional mismatched DPI causes cursor jumpiness. Now, with both displays recognized, you're ready to arrange their positions so the mouse crosses where you expect. Do that next. You drag the monitor tiles until they reflect your real desk layout, aligning edges so the cursor doesn't hit an invisible barrier. Once done, fine-tune vertical alignment by nudging the tile up or down. This controls where the pointer crosses between displays, preventing stuck corners. Make sure Extend mode is selected so the pointer travels freely. If a seam still feels wrong, adjust individual display scale or resolution so the cursor path lines up smoothly across both screens. You finish by polishing pointer speed in mouse settings so motion feels natural between screens. Lower speed for long spans, raise for close monitors. Test crossing slowly and with an app window straddling both displays to confirm smooth movement. If the cursor jumps or gets stuck, make sure both displays use compatible scale and resolution, realign tiles, and then restart the system or replug the cable as a quick fix. That restart often clears driver hiccups and restores normal cursor flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.